Worried your baby might be constipated? Here's how to help. If your baby is still breastfeeding or drinking formula, offer a little more at each feed. Sometimes they need extra hydration to get things moving. If baby has started solids, add more water, veggies, or whole grains. And remember the magic pea foods: prunes, pears, peaches, and plums. These are your constipation superheroes. Not crawling yet? Try bicycling. While baby is lying on their back, gently move their legs like they are cycling. A warm bath and a gentle tummy massage can also relax their muscles and ease discomfort. When to call your healthcare provider. If poop is dry, hard, or pellet-like, if there is diarrhea for 3 or more diapers, or if you're simply unsure, trust your gut. No pun intended. Remember to keep up with frequent nappy changes to prevent diaper rash. Parenthood is messy, magical, and yes, full of poop talk. You're doing amazing.